make slime, what you'll need is some glue. I got this clear glue. Clear glue is good for making slime. And then some water. Oh, this heavy bottle of liquid starch is very heavy for me to lift. Oh, some food coloring to make it in case if you want to make it like have some color with it. And be very careful if it's loose. You don't want to spill it, do you? And if you want to make it sparkly, you can add some sparkles or glitter. Here I'm going to use some glitters because I want to make it extra shiny. And you can use any color you want for making the color. You can use like red, orange, yellow, green, or you can use all the priming colors. You can use the rainbow colors. You can use any color you want, however you want. It's just to make color. Here I'm going to take it as blue and blue because it's my favorite color. I want to make it matched. And you'll need some spoons. 2 spoons will be fine. And a bowl. Oops. You can take this tissue paper in case you want to wipe your hands or wipe your face. And you'll need these measuring cups. So let's get started. Let's take this bowl. I'll open this cap of the glue. I'll pour it into this bowl. A full cup of it. I'll put full cup of glue in it to make it bigger. There we go! Woo! It's more like putting batter. Up it goes. Okay. I think that much is enough. I'll put it down. Oops, I got glue on my dress. It's okay if you got glue on your dress. I'll just put a towel paper and wipe it out. And it's okay if you got it like that. Very sticky. So let's put in this bowl. I'll use the spoon to take it out. Okay. Did it? And now we'll put some, oh, right, I gotta close the cap. You better close the cap after you're using the glue. Make sure it don't spill. I'll take the water and pour it into this bowl. And be very careful when you're, and I'll pour it in there. Close the cap of the water bottle. Oh, it's such a splatting. Okay, now we'll take the spoon and mix it out. Mix it properly. Alright, that's it done. So I'm going to add this pinch of food coloring. Add just 4 drops. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Oops. I accidentally used 5 instead of. And that's okay if you do not add the same amount how you need. Just be very careful next time. I'll take my Caesar, cut it out. Cut. And since we cut enough out, just pour it out. Pour it out. And add the shimmering. I just accidentally added so much of it to make it extra sparkly, but it's okay. Whoa, so shimmering. So pretty. I like it. Now we'll take this liquid starch. Open it up. I'll keep this aside. Okay, so it don't get splattered from that. Okay, here comes the trickiest part. Be very careful. Be very careful with liquid starch. You don't want to spill a lot. And make sure you don't put so much of it. Okay? It won't be that. And okay. Here we go. Let's slide it carefully. Open. Pour it. Okay. You poured it in. Now just stir it up. Whoa, it's coming out perfectly. We'll just stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. Here's our big juice slime. Okay, let's leave this out. We'll take it out by our hands. Oh my goodness, so cool! Whoa! It's so cool and shimmery. Look at that, guys. Did you saw it? It's amazing. This glue came out. And this slime is so cool. I didn't believe I can make it. I'm ready. Got it? Whoa, it's dripping, dripping. And have fun with your slime. Play as much as you want it with it. And stay safe. Have fun. Play with your slime. And have fun with yourself. Bye, friends. Hope you like my video. And subscribe to my channel and give a like, please.